What's going on, guys? Welcome back on my channel. Elijah on Elijah Slayer, back again to another video. For today's video, guys, we're going to be icloud bypassing my device right here, the iPhone 6. It's actually running iOS 14.4, iOS 12.4.8, as you may have seen on the screen. So we are going to be doing a iCloud bypass on this device today, and you are going to see if it's actually working. So let's actually do this bypass together, and we're going to start right now. So the first thing, as you guys always know, if you have watched a iCloud bypass tutorial, the first thing you have to go to Apple 752. I'll leave the link to the description below to the website, and after you have to go and download Silver Mac 5.4. Maybe if you watch this video later, there will be a new version. Just click on Silver Mac 5.4. I've already downloaded this app right here, so I'm just going to click to stop it. And if you are actually running a Windows, just go and click on the Windows version. So the first thing you have to do right now is actually first start running check and jailbreak. I'll also leave the link in the description for check and jailbreak, so that you can also go ahead and download it. If you are actually using Windows, I'll leave also a link in the description, so that you can actually watch how to install check and jailbreak on your Windows device. So the first thing I'm actually doing right now, I'm just booting my device to check and jailbreak. I'm jailbreaking it using check and jailbreak, so that I'll be able to do the bypass. So right now I'm in boot mode. I'm just going to hold the power button and the home button, so that I go directly into the boot mode. Yeah, there it is. I'm already in. So just hold again the home button and wait for it to actually enter into recovery mode. So there it is. It's now in recovery mode. As you can see, it's actually now booting and jailbreaking at the same time. If you actually see the logo of check and jailbreak and all this weird code appearing on your screen, which means the jailbreak is actually being proceed on your iOS device. And while doing the jailbreak, please don't remove your iPhone, don't disconnect your iPhone, don't disconnect your device, whichever you are using, iPhone, iPod, don't disconnect your device. So we are just going to wait for check and jailbreak to finish booting this device right here. It's actually booting right now, and it doesn't usually take this long, so just don't disconnect it, leave it the way it is, and keep on let it boot. It's actually going to boot it by itself, and you're going to be able to now to start the iCloud bypass tutorial. And I'm going to show you how you can actually bypass your device. By the way, this is just a test. I haven't tested this yet, so I'm just going to be testing this and see if it's actually working. So I recently updated my device. It's also an iCloud bypass phone, so we are going iCloud lock the phone. So I just updated this, so I'm going to see if actually there's a jail bypass for the iPhone, the iOS 12.4.8 for this device. So the first thing, open Silver, the app that you recently downloaded. Go to more option, click on iOS 12.4.7. By the if you download this, it will be already 12.4.8. click on iOS 12.4.8, 12.4.7, then click on make it click on the first option right there, and click on OK. Whatever we say will give you a notification, and after you just click on OK. Click on OK again, just click it twice or once, and after click on make it train. This is actually bypass, which is actually going to bypass your iCloud device. Sometimes it usually takes time, sometimes it doesn't work, so we are going to test it and see actually if it's actually working on my iOS device now, because I decided to update my device. It was running iOS 12.4.4, and I decided to update it to iOS 12.4.8 because I wanted to see if actually the bypass is actually working on the iOS 12.4.8. It just came out. It was recently released by Apple, I think last week. And now I'm doing a bypass tutorial, iCloud bypass tutorial, to see if it's actually the tutorial is actually working on this device right now. It usually take time. I don't know how long it's going to take. This is actually my first time using the bypass tutorial, a bypass to bypass the latest version of iOS. I've done some iCloud bypass tutorial before, but it was running iOS 12 and iOS 13. So this is just a new version just came out. Actually, after finishing the bypass, you'll see the notification and it will tell you what to do. I already know what to do. I will just click on OK. click on connect to iTunes, and after the pop-up, click on continue. So nothing is happening. You're supposed to click on connect to iTunes, and after click on continue. Also watch, and that's what it said on the silver app. You click on connect to iTunes, and after click on continue. And by the way, after you are doing this, don't connect your device to or a Wi-Fi, because if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you won't be able to see the option of connect to iTunes. So make sure that your device is not connected to the Wi-Fi. I did that, and it wasn't actually showing. And don't connect your device to the Wi-Fi so that you'll be able to see the option of connect to iTunes. So right now I'm again I clicked on make a trend to see how it's going to work and see if this tutorial is actually going to work out for me, because I haven't actually checked this one, but the other tutorial were actually working. So I decided to check this one and see if there's actually bypass for the iOS 12.4.8. So right now we're going to test it together, and we're going to see if it's actually working right now. Still, I clicked on make a trend. This is the second time you're trying to bypass the device again. For the iCloud bypass, it's actually taking a long while. So let me just go ahead. Okay, iTunes is open. I'm just testing if it's actually going to work. Okay, let me click on OK. Read the notification or the instruction there. You click on connect to iTunes, you click on continue, and after it's going to bypass your device. So nothing's actually happening right now. I don't know what is happening. I'm now connected to my Wi-Fi. That's why you see that there's no connect again to iTunes, any type of option there. iTunes is open in my background. Nothing is happening. I can't even see anything. I'm not able even to. You can even see the save of iTunes is actually not working again on my device. It's actually it's acting like if it's broken. Even if I knew the password of this device, I won't be able to bypass my iPhone iCloud lock. So iCloud lock, yeah. I won't be able to bypass my iPhone iCloud lock. It's actually weird right now. Nothing is actually working. So I don't think that you guys should actually go ahead and update to iOS 12.4.8. Wait for the bypass to be released yet, and after when it's released, you guys will be able now to bypass. This bypass is actually not currently working, so don't update to iOS 12.4.8. remain on iOS 12.4.7 if you're running it, so that you may be able to bypass your device. When there's a new update, I'll let you know, guys. And if you guys really enjoy this type of content, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like the video, don't forget to share it. If you have any question, comment down below, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys in the next one.